Out in the tropics, watching a new area stretching all the way from the Gulf Coast up towards the eastern coast off the Carolinas has a very low chance of development over the next couple of days. What we're mainly focused on, of course, is kind of what we're watching now is just south of the Mississippi coast, south of Alabama, and south of the Florida Panhandle. Now, notice there's not a lot going on right now. We do have some thunderstorms out here, but there's this trough of low pressure. That's what's been kicking off all these storms every day. And this thing has stalled out in the northern Gulf of Mexico. So we're expecting more storms to develop, and when that happens this time of year, you can occasionally start to get a little low pressure trying to develop, and that's exactly what we think might happen kind of in this general vicinity over the next 24 hours. Low chance of it happening, but models are picking up on it. Here's the Euro model. I'll show you what it's thinking. You've got your trough of low pressure here, this kind of black line here. We'll start to see maybe an area, concentrated area of that low pressure coming together as we go throughout tonight, kind of in this area right here. Here's New Orleans, here's the Mississippi coast, here's Mobile and Pensacola. Notice it's drifting away from us though, so this not going to have much time to develop. If it does develop into a low pressure, it's very close to land. However, don't be surprised. It's possible we could get a depression out of this or something as it makes its way towards the Florida Panhandle. Then it'll make its way towards the Carolinas, and that's where they could have potentially more development. So regardless, our forecast's not going to change. We're really not even expecting any significant winds from this. If it does develop, we could see some gusts over 20 miles per hour at times. Tropical Depression 5 north of Bermuda going to continue. Could become Edouard later today. Something interesting about it, if it does become Edouard, it will be our earliest E storm on record, beating the old record of Emily back in '05.